What happened? No one is able to hide the sun so far. Why the clouds are unable to hide the sun if they are working by themselves, or if they are in control of any false gods of non-Muslims? No one could do it, because when Allah does not will, no one can hide the sun. Even throughout the day we have seen no one could hide the sun, because there is no other creator beside Allah. Look how he has made the clouds in the air, and no cloud hiding the sun. Allahu Akbar. Your humiliation, your false god, your humiliation, your fabricated religions have no value near Allah. Only Islam is true religion of Allah. If Allah will, He will hide. Ya Allah, please hide the sun now, if you want to do. Now if Allah will, He will hide the sun before the sunset. But I don't know, if Allah wants to show His power of not hiding the sun today, then obviously the series will be like that, by the movement of the clouds. But if He does not hide the sun, no one would be able to hide. But if He wants to hide, then now He will hide the sun. When and how soon, I don't know. Let's see what happens by Allah now. Okay? Enough for now. Nothing coincidence. Every single thing, every single piece in the control and power of Allah. Ya Allah, if you want to hide, please hide the sun. Now I will come back, inshallah. And if you don't want to hide, it's okay. Because in either case, it is clear you are controlling the sun and lights and everything. Look clearly everything. See you. Allahu Akbar.